Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain bracket with stiffener. See, left side you can see the component and the right side you can see the stiffeners located at two places. So now I am going to show you this component. So this is the component. So now I am going to create this. Let's start now. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the top plane. Select center rectangle. Select these two lines and make it equal. This is 100. Now select the sheet metal module, select the base flange. So I have taken 2 mm thickness. K factor should always less than 0.5, so I have taken 0.45 and depends on the material. So select the edge flange. So place it here and select the sketch, and we have to dimension from outer edge to this edge. So this is mandatory. So this is 150 mm and say OK. See here. Now I am going to create 1 meter flange. So we need to select this face, select meter flange, draw 1 line, horizontally select horizontal constraint. So draw 1 arc. See, make sure that this point is outside, so we have to dimension this. So select this. So this is 6 mm offset, and this point and this point make it horizontal. Select these two. So this is 90 and radius is 13. So it is fully constrained now. Come out of this sketch. See here. This is how it creates. So here we need to select material inside. Until unless it is required, we have to select material outside. See here. Now I am going to create 1 cutout at this location. So we have to select unfold command. So select this face, collect all bends, say OK. So it is flat. Now select this face, go to sketch, select corner rectangle, select these 2 lines and make it collinear. Now select center line, select midpoint, select vertical constraint. Now we have to dimension this. This is 40 and this is also 40. So we can give equal constraint or we can individually dimension it. So go to sheet metal, select extruded cut. So here we need to link to thickness. This is mandatory, and normal to cutout. So this is for punching or laser cutting. See here. Now fold this. So it automatically select this face, collect all bends. So it collects all the bends and say OK. See here. Now I am going to apply sheet metal gusset. Select this face and this face. So you automatically select edge and point. So this is 20 mm offset. See here, it is moved little bit inside. Now these parameters, D1 is 20, 15, we can modify as per our requirement, and the indent width is 10 mm, indent thickness is 2 mm, draft is 5, and inner corner fillet is 2 mm, outer corner fillet is 2 mm. Say OK. See here, this is how it looks. So this is to improve the strength at this corner. I am going to apply one more stiffener, that is gusset. So I am going to select this face and this face once again. See, it is automatically created. So all the parameters are same, so there is no much difference. So we have to modify only 20 mm to 50 mm. See here, I'll keep it in backside view. See here. So we have to measure or calculate so that it is exactly at the center. So based on the requirement, we have to modify the dimension. See here, it is symmetric. So these are the two stiffeners. Now finally I am going to add one fillet at this point and this point. So I am going to add 5 mm to avoid the sharp edges. So this is the final component. So if you want to add fillet at this corner also, we can add. See here, the reason is it is not selecting the break corner, it should be always flat. So we cannot apply fillet with this break corner command. So in this condition, whenever there is a curve, we have to apply general fillet. So here I am going to take 5 mm. We have to select the edge. And say OK. See, this is the one. See here, whenever we have a curvature, better to select the meter flange instead of edge flange. We can use edge flange also, but it's better to have meter flange to control these curves. See, these are the curves. It's easy to modify also. See here, so we can change the dimensions. So it's better to have meter flange for these kind of components. So this is a brief about bracket with stiffener, a sheet metal component in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.